going to cross the Minnesota River and see how far it goes. See if we can walk all the way to Egan. Why not?
How low it is.
I know. Oh my gosh, it's not flooded anymore. Well, I remember when I came down here with Cosmo, this was still technically closed because it was still quote unquote dangerous because the water was still so high.
In Delano, that small bridge that we sat by on the 4th, that was nearly underwater during that time as well. They had to close that bridge. Yeah, the water could not flow.
See, they're walking. Oh, the babies aren't probably. The mom is walking.
Yeah, you can see the bottom. Yeah.
That is so cute.
It's not really deep at all.
Beaver home, almost across the river at this point. Hey, look, it's Bloomington. Used to cross that bridge all the time, going to work. I'm seeing people walking their dogs, and the tar, I just felt it way too hot for dog pads. So if you take your dogs out for a walk, you need to give them booties in this kind of heat. Oh, I suppose for monarch eggs, you mean?
Yeah. There's one behind you.
Right there, Mama. Here, I'll just keep.
So,
Would there be eggs at this point?
Yeah.
Well, that's too bad that there aren't.
If there's one, can I have it? No, I want to have one. But this is a national wildlife refuge.
well, it's gonna be eventually.
We should not.
Oh, is that a lot of eggs? What do
No,
they look like?
the eggs are tiny and white.
That might actually be a caterpillar. Where? Oh no, it's a bug. Oh, and that bug is eating the milkweed. What is that? Oh, it went away.
What if there's poison ivy?
There's one on that one too. There's no poison ivy.
That looks like
That
some sort of beetle.
Yeah, it's definitely.
Oh, there's another one right there.
Yeah, look at that. Isn't that weird?
It's climbing it.
So I bet it wasn't. I bet it wasn't a monarch that was eating that other one. I bet it
So
was one
these
of
are
these
milkweed.
beetles.
How delicate. Feel how delicate and soft. Just so delicate.
All right, we're done looking at milkweed. This is gonna. There's a lot of it.
Eggs.
There's no eggs.
Some dinosaur should raise its head right now.
I know. It's really warm out, and I'm still just wearing the pants because I hate my body.
Thankfully, it's not super busy on this.
So it's like the walking bridge and then that's like the driving bridge?
Yeah, I've never done this.
Me either. Like wash off.
No,
My sister's playing the Jurassic Park theme. My niece is crazy. And my other niece is crazy. Officially crossing the river. And Kinsey is Instagramming. And that's the bridge I would drive on every day when I worked in Egan and the Apple Valley. retail.
So scary.
Yeah.
I feel like there should be more like in here, but like they're all like down. That's really cute. I am too.
Well, that's not gonna be helpful.
Somebody like knocked it off into the water. No. Trucks, I guess, go through the water. That makes more sense.
Because I was with my family, I forgot to close out this vlog. And I will not confirm nor deny drinking a little too much wine tonight. Well, my sister and I talked about Jesus. Oh boy. So my sister went to seminary. I'm thinking about going to seminary and becoming a pastor. I say as I am very buzzed. Anyway. So today was fun. I got to spend today with my sister, my mom, my nieces, and my nephew. They played some Toy Story on PlayStation 2. For some reason it's in black and white. If anybody knows how to fix that, let me know, because I want to fix that. Anyway, they played some Sims, which I don't know if they closed out of. We'll find out if my computer decides to wake up, or I might have to press this button. I need to press that button. Anyway, yes, I had a lot of fun with my family. We didn't go too far. We didn't go all the way to Egan. We crossed the river to a point where it becomes a hike. And then we decided to turn around, though my nephew really wanted to continue. And I was halfway tempted to be like, I'll just take him and then we'll head back. But I was really hot because I don't wear shorts. Yeah. Anyway, but there's a really cool picture. If you guys want to see this picture, let me know in the comments below. I am very buzzed because I have had a lot of wine. My sister and I were both very buzzed when she left. And it's funny because, like, I never grew up with her being my best friend. And we're still not best friends. Like, it's not like we hang out on the regular or anything. But, like, when we do hang out, it's really fun because we can talk intelligently to each other. And that's what's cool. And that's what's important. So, let me know if you're your sibling's best friend. Or if you can at least talk intelligently with them. Or if you at least get along, or if you hate each other. Let me know your relationship status with your sibling. I'm gonna go watch some Dateline with my parents, and then we're gonna go to bed. And I need to watch Turbo. I'll see you guys all next week. Not next week. My vlogging channel is sporadic. I'm gonna promise next week. I don't do fun things. Anyway, I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.